Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chee, and I am the project director for the Momentum Routine Immunization Transformation and Equity Project, or MRITE, based in Washington, D.C. I'm so happy to have the opportunity to welcome everyone to this event. I only wish I could be with you in person. So MRITE is USAID's global flagship project for immunization. The project began in 2020, and although we were designed to support routine immunization, since the middle of 2021, we have worked to support COVID-19 vaccination in 18 countries. The work ranges from supporting government planning and coordination at national and subnational levels, to supply chain strengthening, to health worker capacity building, to demand generation and community engagement, and data systems and data use. In addition to all of our work at country level, we also contribute to global and regional level guidance, tools, and peer learning to support vaccination. Within that portfolio of work, we're really proud of our contributions in Vietnam, which took place over 2 phases. In the first phase, we worked in 5 provinces, really focused on priority populations, including older adults, people with disabilities, economically disadvantaged, and those living in hard-to-reach areas. Our activities included training health workers, supporting microplanning, strengthening data management, and going house to house to identify the unvaccinated. In this second phase, our scope changed a bit, and we are working just in 2 provinces, Hoa Binh and Quảng Nam, and focused on integrating COVID-19 vaccination with routine immunization, rooted in primary health care and focused on adolescents or children under 12. You'll hear more about this work and its impact this afternoon. I wanted to take a minute to recognize that our work was only possible in partnership with the National EPI Program, provincial departments of health and CDCs, and the primary healthcare system. Only with your guidance and support are we able to have the positive impact that we do. The MRITE project is in a period where we're shifting away from intensive work to support COVID-19 vaccination to refocus on routine immunization. We know that during the COVID pandemic, several cohorts of children have been missed, and we're supporting countries to both catch up and also to strengthen their routine immunization systems. In that effort, we'll take forward the lessons and innovations from COVID-19 and apply them to routine immunization to achieve equitable high coverage for routine immunization, supporting government initiatives to recover from routine immunization backsliding and to reach the high numbers of under-immunized and zero-dose children. Thank you so much for your collaboration and interest in this work.